Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Immersive Translate. This is a translation extension for you for your Google Chrome web browser. So this is the free website, free translate website, translate PDF, EPUB, ebook, translate video subtitles in bilingual. So here you can download for free, you can install it for free. You can click add to Chrome, add extension. Wait for the process. It's very small, only 3 megabyte, and done. So here, almost done. So you can click on the icon of the extension program in the top right corner of your browser and pin Immersive Translation to the toolbar, this one. Click on the toolbar and here we go. This is the Immersive Translate ready to use. You can translate the web page on the right. Here, for example, you can translate to English. As you can see, now the Japanese language automatically translate. And if you think this is done, you can restore page. You can hold Alt key and plus A key. Now go back to the normal. And also you can translate PDF, EPUB, docs. This is the settings, and you can try Pro. You can experience OpenAI, DeepL, PDF Pro, comic translation, and so on. So next, this is for example, this is a Japanese web. Let's try to translate. So here the automatic will be English one. So you can waiting to inject into the page. If there is no response for a long time, please try refreshing the page. Let's try to refresh. Now the Immersive Translate ready to use. Click, and now become there English text here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.